Hi everyone. What's for dessert? Or should I say, what's for breakfast? Today's dessert is double chocolate cocoa wheat brownies. To make our double chocolate cocoa wheat brownies, we will need 1 cup margarine. I have butter, which 1 cup is 2 sticks, 2.5 cups of sugar, 4 eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla, 1.5 cups cocoa wheats, 1.5 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 3/4 cups cocoa, 1 cup chocolate chips and or nuts. I don't have any chocolate chips, so we're going to be putting walnuts in it. And as a special treat, you can, this is optional, before baking, swirl in some marshmallow cream. I think that will make it delicious. So you can also reduce the recipe in half if desired. So let's begin. Take a big bowl, put in your softened butter, and I'm hoping that's soft enough. Margarine's going to be softer usually anyway. Yeah, I think that's gonna work okay. And that is 1 cup of margarine or 2 sticks if you're using stick. And add your 2.5 cups of sugar and then cream it together. And I'll get that all creamed and I'll be right back. Take your 2 teaspoons of vanilla and your 4 eggs. And mix that. Then add your 1.5 cups of cocoa wheats and mix that. In a separate bowl, you want to sift your flour, your baking powder, and your cocoa. And mix that together. Then gradually add your dry mixture to the batter. And I will continue this until I'm all done with dumping the dry ingredients into the batter. Dump in your 1 cup of chocolate chips or nuts, and I have 1 cup of walnuts. And then just fold that in. Take your batter. It is very thick. Let's see if I can find a place where I can get both angles. And dump it into the greased pan. I just greased it with butter. Okay, so I just went ahead and dumped it in the pan off camera so you didn't have to see me struggle too bad with it. It is very thick and sticky. So I'm trying to spread it out now. And when I get it spread out, we'll continue on to the next step. And who would have known I tried my heavy-duty wooden spatula and the nice spatula that Lee's Arkansas Bound gave me, and neither of them wanted to spread it very well, so I just used a tablespoon. Go figure. Now, I've never made this before, so I have no idea what the batter is supposed to look like or anything, so hopefully this will turn out. So this next step is optional. I'm going to be using marshmallow cream And I'm just gonna, maybe, it's very sticky, just going to make little dollops throughout the brownies. All right, so we have our dollops of marshmallow, and I'm going to just kind of swirl it in, and with the batter being kind of sticky and the marshmallows being sticky, I'm not sure how well this is going to work. But we're going to give it the old college try, and I didn't even go to college. Oh, that's getting to work out a little bit better. And I'm going to just kind of smooth it on top, even though it kind of smears my thingy. It should be swirly underneath. So next we'll stick our double chocolate cocoa wheat brownies in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes, or until done. So here is the double chocolate cocoa wheat brownies that just came out of the oven after 45 minutes. I will let it cool completely, so after supper we'll have a taste test. So here is the double chocolate cocoa wheat brownies with walnuts in it and marshmallow swirl. Is it a dessert or is it breakfast? Let's see what Dave has to say.
Now, what is this?
Double chocolate cocoa wheat brownies.
Cocoa wheats. Is that a cereal?
That's a hot cereal.
Okay. Is this a cereal or is this a breakfast bar or is this?
You try it and you tell me.
Okay. You have walnuts?
It does have walnuts in it.
Well, it tastes kind of like a brownie to me.
The top is marshmallow cream swirled.
Okay. Well, I'll be having a piece for breakfast, but it's a good dessert too.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.